Hello and welcome to the CDO Magazine interview series. I am Nagendra Sharman, Director of Customer Success at Babical Data Solutions, and we are partnering with CDO Magazine, MIT CDO IQ, and the International Society of Chief Data Officers in a series of interviews. Today, I have the pleasure of talking with Meena Thanikachalam, Head of Data Architecture at Ally Financial. She has been a huge spokesperson and promoter of women in architecture. Welcome, Meena.
Thank you, Nagendra. Pleasure to participate in this session today.
Meena, my first question is, please let us know, as a head of data architecture, what data initiatives are you leading today?
Ally is a leading digital financial services company. Our primary focus is to serve our customers relentlessly. Data space is very exciting and we are going through an exciting journey. Our primary focus at the moment is to design and build a world-class data platform focused on scalability, reliability, performance, efficiency, and operational excellence. Our focus is also to use data, centralized data, and democratize analytics, and also simplify all our data ecosystems and be able to monetize data, and more importantly, provide meaningful insights using the data to our business.
Great. Thank you. What's your take on, data strategy now becoming an important part of, an organization? And it would be great, Meena, if you could share on how a deep data leader such as you would approach an organization.
Data strategy is vital for any organization. Data strategy is going to give you a structured approach as how you make use of data to solve your business problems. Data strategy typically has various pillars, but primarily what business problem are you trying to solve? How are you going to use data? What data you need? How would you analyze the data? And who's going to be using that data and deriving insights? And what technology choices, software, hardware you might need? Those are some of the essential aspects that a data strategy might cover. It's very important that an organization invests in coming up with a data strategy. The reason being, volume of data is increasing tremendously every day and every minute and every second. And also, in order to have consistency across the organization, it's very essential to have a strategy that covers various aspects of data, and most importantly, governing data and also making sure we have policies around addressing any security issues with data, and also ensuring that data is available and we empower our data scientists or data analysts or BI users to make use of the data. So in order to go for a data-driven culture, an organization should be investing in a data strategy, and it's very crucial.
Thank you. So, as we know, right, architecture is a very integral part of strategy, right? In terms of data, what in your mind would be the top three things which you would actually encourage a data leader to keep in mind when they are basically defining the whole data strategy for the organization?
As I stated earlier, data strategy would touch upon various pillars in the data capabilities. However, three things that comes to my mind is data security, data governance, and also data access management. These are the three pillars or three key things that a data leader should ensure that the data strategy is addressing. Without security, you're going to have a challenge in managing access to the data. And without having a proper governance, it's very difficult to trace the data or be even able to capture any metadata around the data. There's a variety of other capabilities that data management offers, and it's very crucial to be investing in some of these capabilities, and a data strategy should certainly consider these three aspects.
Great. So, we talked about architecture. We're talking about, what are the different things you're doing within the organization. So how would you introduce a new technology within your organization?
Technologies are introduced primarily for two reasons. One is to solve our business challenges. The other aspect where we would introduce a new technology is to modernize the platform and be able to offer meaningful insights to our business partners, and also provide capabilities like speed to market, agility, and ensure that the business is able to derive insights out of the data. So when it comes to introducing new technologies, it's the first thing you would need to do understand is the problem that you're trying to solve. What are the technology choices available? Is that technology going to fit for what you're looking at? Identify your problems or key use cases, possibly do proof of concept so that you can show a quick win of how would you use the technology to solve the business problem. It doesn't have to be an elaborate process. It could be a simple POC covering the key aspects of technology, providing recommendations to the problem that the business is facing. And then also have stakeholders participate the discussions. Early engagement of stakeholders is very essential, and you make them as part of the decision-making process. Have opinion from them as if the technology is going to solve the problems, and also have them participate in key conversations. So it's kind of a collaborative effort where you bring all the stakeholders on the same page, and also think about how are you going to roll out the technology broadly, and consider implementation ideas, and also think about the support model. And also there's a learning curve whenever you introduce a new technology. Maybe should look at doing some roadshows, or look at forming a community of practice where you can talk about how to use the technology, what are the benefits, and educate and bring all the team members on the same page. So this is how I think a new technology can be introduced in any organization.